We're here today to show you how to rekey a Weslock Premier Essentials deadbolt. This deadbolt cylinder comes with our 271 model deadbolt and our 2820 and 2810 model entry handle. Pictured in front of us is what is needed to rekey the deadbolt cylinder. A Weslock keying kit, a deadbolt cylinder with the existing key that works, and a new cut key for what we want to rekey the deadbolt to. Prior to rekeying, it is important to make sure that you do not have the key inserted in the deadbolt while you do this, as it could cause the lock to blow up and lose all the top pins. Inside your Weslock keying kit, grab the cap wrench, slide the cap wrench over the tailpiece and align the grooves on the cap wrench with the grooves on the cylinder cap. Turn the wrench counterclockwise to loosen the cylinder cap and continue to turn until the cap is removed from the deadbolt cylinder core. Once the cylinder cap is removed, take the cylinder pin and spring out of the core. This will help you not to lose them. Set them aside because you'll need to reuse them. Now insert the existing key into the core and take the plug follower from the keying kit. Now, once you have the plug follower, use the side that is not notched and press it against the back side of the key cylinder where you took the cap wrench off. Now push the follower against the cylinder core to remove the cylinder core, always keeping pressure on both to make sure that the cylinder assembly does not blow up. Once you have removed the cylinder core from the cylinder assembly, you can take the key out and discard the pins and key. Now find a new cut key that you want to rekey the lock to and grab the key and gauge the key. Gauge it from bow to tip and write down the key number. Now insert the new cut key into the cylinder core and insert pins according to the number you have written down. Again, making sure to do the pins from bow to tip and make sure the rounded points are downward and the flat is on the top. If done correctly, all pins are flush with the top of the cylinder core, and now we can insert the cylinder core back into the cylinder assembly. Similar to removing the cylinder core, it is important to keep pressure on the cylinder core and the plug follower when reinserting in the core. Take the cylinder core and the key still inserted the core and reinsert back into the cylinder assembly. Once the cylinder core has been fully installed into the cylinder, make sure the key turn and align up and down. Now we can remove the key by pressing on the cylinder core and slowly backing off. Now we can reinsert this cylinder core spring and the cylinder pin, making sure to do the spring first and then the pin. Now take the cylinder cap with the tailpiece inserted into it and align it with the back of the cylinder core and tighten it back on to the core. Once the cylinder core is tightened all the way down, back it off a little and make sure the pin is notched in one of the grooves. Now reinsert the key and make sure the cylinder functions correctly. If you have any questions, please email warranty@weslock.com or call 918-294-3888.